All right, welcome to the last solution videos for basic worksheet 1, where we're dealing with the ISBN question from CCC 2009, the J1 question. Basically, the input here is that we're going to get the last three digits of our ISBN number. And what it does is that it always follows the 131 pattern. And for us, we're going to multiply the second input by 3 and multiply the first and the third by 1 and add up those values and add it up as the suffix of the ISBN number so that we can get this multiple of 10. So what we're going to do is your program should input the last three digits and print the 1-3 sum. And we're going to use the format they've given us. Now I want you to note that if I were to take the all the numbers except for the last three here, we will get a value of 91. So what I'm going to do is take the three inputs, then add 91 to it after we process it. So here we go. We're going to go input. We're going to get num1 equals integer input. We're going to get num2, also an integer input. And we're going to get the last integer input. Since we're adding the last three digits, I'm going to call it a suffix, right? So we're going to multiply the first number by 1, which doesn't do much. Then we're going to multiply the second number by 3. Then we're going to multiply the third number by 1 and get a suffix value. All right. Then our ISBN result would be 91 plus suffix value. And for our output, we're going to get print ISBN. So let's go. Oh, sorry, I am missing I had too many operations happening. Let me try running that again. There we go. I'm gonna be using 9, then 4, then 8. We're gonna get 120, which was the ISBN number that we used for this digit here. Okay. So that was the solution. And I just want to say congrats on working through your first basic problem set for Python. I hope that you learned a lot of skills. I hope that you got a lot of practice in with using max and min function, setting up arithmetic operations with values, and doing a lot of number theory material. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.